My name is Mario from Limas Construction. We're a leading company in the northeast area of the country doing roofing and siding work. We've been in business for close to 14 years now. It's a family business. Very often people ask us what is the key of our success, and a big part of that is improvement. We try to separate ourselves from the pack and being a different contractor that we can provide service. On today's industry, anybody can become a contractor, and it's only for how long they last that matters. And that's where Earthborn with JCB come in place. I remember still the first time that I walk in their office, and I was trying to make this industry, the roofing especially, a little bit different. And I was offered for a different machine. The whole idea behind the telehandler is that we were trying to make our work look more professional. Like I mentioned before, doing the work while people is in and out of their homes, that brings a challenge to another level. So by having a machine that I can access to the roof at all the time, it brings multiple benefits. I can put a wood bucket in the telehandler and pick up all the trash on accessible areas. That avoids having a mess in the ground, and especially if people walking around the building. Back in the days, it was often on our industry to have a crane, a boom truck, come on site, load thousands and thousands of worth of materials on the roofs. That increases the stress on the building. So having a machine like a JCB gives me the opportunity to take that stress away, but not only that, also let the guys do all the demo, prep the roof, and then load the material. So if you think about a JCB machine, we started with one, and after 4 years, we have close, I think 9 or 10. And this is what you have to think about it, especially on the remodeling business. We cannot rent old machines that are gonna break down in the middle of the job. It just doesn't look good. Having the benefit of having or owning a brand new machine is that it's gonna do the work, and JCB also offers a maintenance program, which is great. If the machine goes down on the site, I mean, they have a quick response from Earthborn. I have nothing bad to say other than they are full support of the companies out there.